The LLC or Series LLC has the easiest tax returns for a single member. It's known as a pass-through entity. This means that all of the income from your company is able to be reported on your personal income tax return. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to a CPA to be able to file that business tax return that you would have to do otherwise. This is also true if it's you and your spouse filing jointly for your income taxes. In some states they require multi-members, and so this can be a huge leg up when it comes time for the ease of use of tax preparation. Let's take, for example, though, that you had to have you and a partner inside of your LLC. Well, now you're going to have to file what's known as a partnership return. And that partnership return is a separate return for the business itself. You're going to need somebody to help you prepare that return, and I suggest you hire a good CPA that is a real estate investor to be able to help you prepare that return. Also note that an LLC is able to be taxed as a corporation, and in some instances it can make sense in terms of your operating company to have that LLC taxed as an S corporation. So keep that in mind. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney. I'm a real estate investor, and I want to help you.
By listening to these videos, looking at the Royal Legal Solutions blog, and listening to the REI Nerds podcast, I can guarantee you that you're going to know more than 99% of any of the real estate investors you're ever going to encounter. This is going to make you the smartest guy in the room. And who comes to see the smartest guy in the room? Everybody else that wants to do a deal. If you really want to create yourself to be a magnet to attract other people to be making great deals with, you got to have the best information. And that's what I want to give to you. Subscribe, come to our website, listen to what we have going on. I can get you there.